Today I'm with Ben. We are here at this initiative where Ben's making food for 1 lakh underprivileged children.
I think it's an amazing initiative for me. People like me who are in a blessed position really need to be giving back, and I feel like everyone needs to eat. It doesn't matter who they are. There should be no discrimination. So, if there's people that are doing it tough, we should, as people that are slightly better off, we should be trying to help those people out. Okay, so for me, I think sharing a meal with people that you really care and love is like one of the greatest joys in life. So, I feel like being able to be a part of this event and to feed people, underprivileged children, and anyone that's hungry, for me, is just sharing a whole lot of love. So I actually didn't start cooking till I was probably about 15 years old. So it was a little bit later on in life. And the first thing I made was a Dutch shortbread. My Oma taught me to make it. And we'd always sit down and have a coffee or a tea and share the shortbread. So that comes from a place of love, and that's the first thing I ever made. I really, really love Indian cuisine. And I'm not just saying that because I'm in India right now. But for me, Indian food is probably the most complex. There's layers upon layers of spice, and it's for me it's quite a difficult cuisine to master. So whenever I come here, I really appreciate the food a lot, because in Australia sometimes we get some of the mainstream Indian food. We don't really get to see some of those really exotic, astounding dishes you have here. So my favorite dish in India right now, it hasn't changed. It's still a goat curry. It's still my favorite thing to eat. So I've got a friend back in Australia. He's my best friend, and he's Indian, and every once a year they actually do a goat curry just for me.
Oh, great. Thank you so much, Ben. It was very nice meeting you, and you have something to say to your fans in India.
Yeah, to all my fans in India, please get on board with this charity. It's an incredibly good cause. There's a lot of people doing it tough out there, and it's our responsibility to help them out.